Let's sign up to Awin as a publisher using an invitation code. First, open your browser and search for Awin invitation code. Look for the right link or go directly to awininvitationcode.com. Click Join Affiliate Program now. Then hit Get Started. Select I am a publisher. Then click Join now. Fill out your details, starting with your company name, tax residency, your first and last name, email, and confirm your email again. Now create a password. Make sure it's at least 12 characters, strong, and unique. Avoid anything that's been in a data breach or easy to guess. Next, choose your region. This is where you'll primarily promote. Then select the type of content you'll display on your website. Scroll through and double-check the rest of your info carefully. Now for the promotion details, enter your website URL and a short description. This helps advertisers know what your site is about before they check it out. Select your preferred sectors. You can choose anything that suits your niche. We're picking just 2 for this example. Finally, add your address and select your payment method. Make sure you choose online payment. A small one-time fee of $1, €1, or £1 will be charged, depending on your location. That's it, simple and ready to start earning.